Hi, it's Kristy in the Rada Cutlery kitchen, and today I'm making a recipe for pizza burgers out of our Fix It and Foil recipe book. I love this cookbook. You can make your food in the oven, you can make it on a campfire, you can make it on the grill. You can make it ahead of time and have it ready to go when you get home from work. Just pop it in the oven, and they're really fun to make. So today we're going to make pizza burgers. So in a large bowl, you're going to need a pound of ground beef, a little leaner cut so it isn't quite so greasy. And if you're making this in the oven, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Otherwise, you'll want to preheat your grill too to a medium heat. And we're going to need about a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions. And this is one of my favorite knives. I tend to use it a lot. It's this Rada Cook's knife. It's like a French chef knife, but it's not as big and clunky. You just have that good control to cut items like onions. Cuts everything, vegetables, fruits. You can chop like this. You can chop it like a professional chef. It's really easy to use. So I'm going to add that to our hamburger. All right, and to that bowl we're going to add an egg. It's going to hold it together. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And in here I have a 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary. And then about however much salt and pepper you want, maybe about a 1/2 teaspoon. And then we're just going to blend this really well together. So now we're just going to shape this into 4 equal-sized patties, about a 1/4 inch thick. So here I have 4 pieces of tin foil that are 14 inches long. We're just going to place one of those patties in the middle of that. So once you have it in the tin foil, we're going to do what's called a flat pack. So we're going to bring center together. We're just going to fold. And then fold again. So get a nice seal on it. And then we're just going to fold up the edges. So now they're ready. You can put them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. You can double wrap them and put them on the campfire for about 8 to 15 minutes or until the hamburger's fully cooked. Or you can put it on a preheated grill to medium heat. You want to place it directly over the heat and then put the lid on and cook it for 12 to 18 minutes or until the hamburgers are done. So while my pizza burgers are cooking, I'm going to slice up you'll need 4 slices of provolone cheese, or you could use mozzarella if you prefer. I like to buy blocks of cheese. And it's not a problem to cut when you have this Rada cheese knife. It cuts easily through hard and soft cheeses. You just get it started and you can cut those really thick, or you can cut it really thin. And these holes let air in, so the cheese always falls away. So you could even do like shaved cheese if you wanted. And then we'll need 4 English muffins. And if you ever ran into this problem, try to get this apart. But if you have this Rada bagel knife, Doesn't matter where they cut it because it'll cut right through that, and there you have a nice slice of a English muffin. All right, so we're gonna pop these in the toaster. All right, so the burgers are done. So what I'm gonna do is carefully unwrap the foil, and I'm gonna set the cheese on top of it. And I'm gonna kind of tent that around it so it melts it. And while you're doing that, we're gonna spread some pizza sauce on our toasted English muffins. And then you can take burger out of the foil. A yummy pizza burger. You can make ahead, you can make it on the grill, in the oven, or over the fire. That's one of our recipes in our Fix It and Foil recipe book. Thanks for watching.